Okay. We are now operating a washing machine. The power supply of this is the solar energy or the solar inverter coming from the terminals down below. So we are now operating a washing machine, the power supply of which is a power inverter that comes from the solar panel down below. Okay, we'll trace the cord that goes to the solar panel. So this is the connection going to the solar inverter down below operating the washing machine. Okay. This is the extension cord that connects the washing machine to the solar inverter here down below. Okay. So that's the solar inverter. Oh, this is the cord that powers the washing machine in the second floor. We'll go back again to the second floor. Okay. That's it. This is the end of the cord that came from the power inverter down below powering up this washing machine. Okay. So the washing machine is actually operating by using the solar energy coming from the inverter down below, which is energized by the solar panels coming from outside. Okay. It's a free energy that energizes this washing machine. Okay. This is the washing machine that operates from the power coming from the inverter down below. That's the end of the cord coming from the inverter down below, and this is the cord of the washing machine. Okay, as you could hear it, the power inverter could power up this washing machine even in the spinning process. Okay, you could hear it. The washing machine is being powered by the power inverter coming from the power down below, coming from this extension cable. You could hear it. The washing machine is operating using free energy from the inverter down below. Okay. Good morning, Los Angeles.